Welcome to Ajayastro Mini Guru, your go-to channel for the latest updates and advanced analysis on commodities. Today, we bring you a detailed update on the pepper market, which is witnessing contrasting trends across domestic and international markets. While domestic pepper prices in India have surged sharply, Vietnam's pepper market is experiencing a significant decline. Let us take a closer look at these developments. The domestic pepper market in India has seen a remarkable recovery after a recent slump. Over the last 8 to 10 trading sessions, prices have risen by 2,000 rupees per quintal. This surge comes as a result of delays in harvesting caused by excessive rainfall, which has affected panicle initiation in pepper plants. The delay has not only impacted India but also Vietnam, lending support to price recovery in both local and global markets. In the Indian markets, the coastal regions of Kerala and Karnataka are leading this price revival. In Kochi, Angabal pepper is now priced at 64,000 rupees per quintal, while Gabal pepper has climbed to 66,000 rupees per quintal. The 500 GL pepper variant is being traded at 63,000 rupees per quintal. Similarly, in Karnataka, pepper prices are ranging between 64,000 rupees and 66,200 rupees per quintal, with Chikamagalur witnessing prices at the higher end of this range. Farmers are optimistic, anticipating favorable agricultural conditions that could result in a successful harvest season. While Indian pepper markets are on an upward trajectory, Vietnam tells a different story. Pepper prices in Vietnam have fallen significantly by 2,000 Vietnamese dongs to 3,000 per kilogram, bringing the current range to 142,000 Vietnamese dongs to 143,000 Vietnamese dongs per kilogram. This decline is largely attributed to weak export demand, which has pressured prices downward. However, despite the dip in local prices, global FOB prices have remained stable due to supply constraints and a delay in harvesting by approximately 15 to 20 days. On the global front, Vietnam's 500 GL pepper is priced at $6,200 per metric ton, while the 550 GL variety is trading at $6,500 per metric ton. Meanwhile, Brazil's Aster grade pepper is being offered at $6,225 per metric ton. These global price points highlight a stabilization of FOB rates despite local market fluctuations. Looking ahead, the pepper harvesting season in both India and Vietnam is expected to commence in December and January. This upcoming harvest is likely to cap further price increases, as the market already has adequate stock levels. Moreover, with Vietnamese prices continuing to decline, domestic markets in India may soon feel the pressure, potentially limiting the possibility of a sustained rally. In conclusion, while the domestic pepper market is enjoying a strong recovery, international trends, particularly in Vietnam, indicate a more cautious outlook. The interplay between delayed harvesting, global demand, and stock availability will play a crucial role in determining the direction of the pepper market in the coming weeks. Thank you for tuning in to this detailed analysis on the pepper market. If you found this information valuable, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Ajayastro Mini Guru for more updates and insights on commodities. Stay informed, stay ahead, and we'll see you in the next video.